Good morning, it's 10. I'm ready to walk. Well, I'm not sure if I'm ready, but I'm all packed up and I'm gonna start walking. I slept terrible. I was awake all the time. There were like 3 or 4 mosquitoes bothering me. It was just not a good night. I need to walk 26 kilometers to the big town where I want to take a long break, so I probably should start moving so I'm there at a decent time. I can go to the store there, and it's a bigger town, so maybe they're gonna have the protein powder as well and other stuff. The nuts, I need to buy the nuts. And I've heard some noises here, so I think some people are actually here, so I need to ask them for water. I'm totally out. But it's time to walk now. It's a beautiful piece of land, isn't it? Such a cool village in the hills. I'm loving this place. I'm wondering, why is my path always the most overgrown one? Like, there were 3 paths here, and the one I'm taking is the least maintained. Well, it's not that bad, but still, why is it always the one I am walking on? I think it's Murphy's Law, for sure. Oh my god, there was a little bird. I don't know if you could see it, probably not, it was pretty far away. It was a cutie. I am a snail today, and it doesn't help that I'm walking straight up first thing in the morning. That's just diabolical. Now it's not as steep, but it's gonna be again. Oh, help me. Please help me. Damn it. I have zero energy. First kilometer was 15 minutes. I'm just so slow. That's alright. Once I get on the top of the hill, it's gonna be downhill, mostly. But I still have to go 100 meters up or something like that, which is nothing normally. But after a bad night and yesterday 36 with a late end, I got there at 23 or something like that. Oh, I'm just tired. And I'm going straight, I believe. I made it to the top. Thank God. I am so thirsty. I didn't get any water. I have one last sip left, and I think I'm gonna drink it now, because I'm now gonna be descending to a village. So I definitely meet some people there to ask for water, because I am thirsty as hell. That uphill wasn't helpful either. It is a beautiful forest, isn't it? It's crazy how forested Sweden is. Crazy. It's awesome though. That last sip of water did absolutely nothing. Only made me more thirsty. Yay! I might have some view. This is the only view I get, I guess. Not much visible. Whatever. Oh, I want to be down so badly. This path is awful. Awful. So many rocks and roots, and half of it is underwater and mud. and it's overgrown and uneven. Oh, and there are flies annoying me. Please let me be down finally. Well, I do have a view. Look at that. So pretty. But the flies are eating me alive. Ah, annoying. And I'm standing on a tree, fallen tree. How do you call it? I don't know. A log, maybe. Very pretty. The camera is not doing it justice, but the path is underwater completely. Okay, I need to stop filming or I'm really getting annoyed by all the flies. Jesus Christ. Finally, a normal gravel road and civilization. Oh, I can't wait to drink some water. Oh, hopefully some of these houses will have someone inside who can give me water, please. I am so thirsty. Probably not this one though. But there are gonna be more. Oh, I'm so excited. It's so beautiful, isn't it? Wow. I love these traditional Swedish houses with the red wood on the outside. Oh, there's someone. So in the very first house there were some people and they were so lovely and gave me 2 bottles. I'm already halfway through the first one and I think I'm gonna camel up and drink it within a couple of minutes. I was so thirsty and they were amazing. We had a nice talk and oh, it's super hot today. It is hot. The sun is strong. So I'm 21 kilometers in. It's almost 4. I have 5 more to go, but I'm gonna take a break. Oh, it's so hot. It's been rough today and my feet hurt and my legs are okay-ish, but my feet hurt and it's so damn hot. Oh, thank God it's downhill now and in the forest so I can be in the shade. Most of the time I was on a road and it was beating down and was hot from the asphalt as well. I am done. Damn. I am ready for a big break in the town and I'm probably gonna have something to eat there as well and maybe charge my batteries a little bit more and wait until it's a little bit more bearable on the sun. Oh, there is a bench, but I want to walk a little bit further so then I don't have to walk as much. Almost in the center, and damn, this hurts. But it's beautiful here at least. So I've managed to go to a store, but it was just a quick run in and out. I'm gonna go to a bigger store later on. I just grabbed an iced coffee. Also, there was a girl buying a hair dye and she was short on money, so I did cover the rest. It feels only right. I had so many people being kind and helping me that those couple of Swedish crowns making the girl happy was really nice. So yeah, now I'm going to have a burger because I read some reviews and there is apparently a very good burger place. So I'm walking there now to have a very nice burger. I am excited. I am starving. I basically haven't eaten since the morning and I haven't even made my couscous. I only ate some bread that I had left with the Baby Bell cheese. I had only 2 left though, and a flapjack bar, and a couple of candies that I had left, like sour candies, and that's pretty much it. So I am starving, and hopefully the burger place is as good as the reviews imply, because I certainly hope so. It should be just behind the corner. I'm leaving the restaurant now. The burger was amazing, and the owner and the staff in general were amazing. Those are the people that are on the right place and doing job they love. Amazing. And they had Czech beer on the tap, so I had Pilsner Urquell. Even though it's not my favorite beer, I still felt obligated to drink that one. It was pretty good. Not my favorite, but still good. And now I am walking back to the center, where I'm gonna go to the bigger store, and after that I'm gonna need to start walking. I don't know if I'm gonna make it all the way to the shelter. It's actually like 11 something kilometers. I mean, I can. I don't know if I want to. But I don't know if I'm gonna have any other choice. Unless I'm gonna ask somebody to camp in their garden, I don't think I'm gonna have any other choice than to walk. But first the store, and then I'll see. I think I'm gonna cross here. Wow, but what an amazing restaurant. I'm putting the name up for sure if you ever go through this town. I highly recommend. They also have like another restaurant in a different town, which I'm not gonna be walking through, so unfortunately. But yeah, enough talking. I need to walk to the store. Hopefully I'll be able to buy everything I need or want, who knows by this point. And I did have a burger with 200 grams of meat. So I think I got my protein today. It was a big burger and I even got fries with it, so I am full. Okay, I am done with this town. And I kinda hate myself right now because my backpack weighs like bazillion kilograms. So heavy. But I did get the protein. I got the nuts, I got everything, and it's time to walk. And it's 10.6 kilometers to that shelter, and it's already 20:30. Why am I doing this to myself? I'm almost 28 kilometers in. I don't think I can do 10 and a half. I might just ask someone if I can pitch my tent in their garden. So I've walked like a kilometer and my shoulders already hate me. Great. I hate myself too. Why have I filled all of my water bottles as well? I don't understand. 2 full ones would be enough. More than enough. Jesus Christ, I'm gonna die. Luckily, my feet are good. Well, kinda. They had a long break, so now it's pretty okay. I can walk. My legs are fine. It's been a while since they've been fine. But we will see in a couple of kilometers. It's kind of cute how the sun is shining. But I don't have sunglasses, which sucks. Well, I do, but they are scratched up so badly that I might just throw them away. I do have one more pair in Netherlands at my friend's house who is sending me the packages, so either I'm gonna buy new ones here somewhere or I'm gonna wait for the last package. I'm not sure yet, but tomorrow should be raining, so I'm not gonna need it. I don't want rain anymore. No. Look at that. Wow. That is stunning. And this is my shelter. What a view. Wow. Well, it's 11, so I should probably start doing something, prepare my bed. Awesome. And eat a dinner and go to sleep. Wow, I was praying nobody is gonna be here. And I'm lucky. Awesome. Well, with this view, good night.